If you're trying to launch Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag and you're getting the error message, the code execution cannot proceed because uplay_r2_loader64.dll was not found, then this tutorial will show you several methods you can use to fix the problem. This error is usually caused when Windows Security or another antivirus program quarantines the uplay_r2_loader64.dll file, preventing the game from launching properly. Fortunately, there are a few methods that have worked for many players. So let's get started. The first thing you should do is check whether Windows Security has quarantined the missing DLL file. First, press Windows +I on your keyboard to open the Windows settings. Inside Settings, click on Privacy and Security. If you are using Windows 10, you may see Update and Security instead. Simply open it and continue to Windows Security. Now select Windows Security. Next, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down until you find Protection History and open it. This page shows every file that Windows Defender has recently blocked or quarantined. Carefully go through each item listed here. If you see multiple entries, don't just check the first one. Open every blocked item one by one because your game's files may be listed under different detections. Click the drop-down arrow for each detection. If Windows asks for administrator permission, simply click Yes. Now look for the Affected Items section. Here you'll be able to see the exact file path that Windows Defender removed. Now check whether the affected item is related to Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag or the file uplay_r2_loader64.dll. If you find the file, choose Restore or Allow so Windows puts it back into the game folder. If you don't find it in the first entry, continue checking the remaining items until you've reviewed the entire protection history. Once you've restored the file, or even if you couldn't find it, the next step is to prevent Windows Security from removing it again. Go back to Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down until you see Virus and Threat Protection Settings, then click Manage Settings. Now scroll to the bottom and select Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Yes if Windows asks for permission. Select Add an exclusion, then choose Folder. Browse to your Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag installation folder and select it. Once the folder has been added, Windows Security will stop scanning or deleting files inside that directory, helping prevent the same problem from happening again. Now try launching the game. If you're still seeing the same DLL error, there's another method you can try. Open your Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag installation folder. Inside the game directory, you may notice additional folders that contain game files and supporting libraries. Open those folders one at a time and check whether any of them contain the uplay_r2_loader64.dll file. If you find the DLL file inside one of those folders, copy all the files from that folder, then return to your main Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag installation folder and paste the copied files there. After copying the files into the main game directory, launch the game again and check whether the missing DLL error has been resolved. These methods have helped many players fix the uplay. Hopefully this tutorial helped you solve the problem.